Guys, we have a problem. I just discovered something and I'm literally freaking out. This thing is insane. It sings, it produces, it makes full songs, and it does it faster, better, and cheaper than any human team. And produce beats, sing better than my own team in literally minutes. This AI can make full songs. I'm done. My producer packed his bags, my singer cancelled, my music team, they must be planning revenge as we speak. If my old producers watches this video, he's gonna hunt me down like a Netflix horror villain.
I don't know what you want. If you're looking for ransom, I can tell you I don't have money. But what I do have are a very particular set of skills. Skills I've acquired over a very long career. Skills that make me a nightmare for people like you. I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.
And I can feel bad vibes everywhere, but who cares? Because today, I'm introducing you to the craziest music revolution in history, Suno AI. The AI that's dropping into the music industry like a nuclear bomb and wiping everything out. No joke, get ready, cause I'm about to show you how you can fire your music team too and make your own hit songs with just your imaginations. Guys, I'm putting my life at risk just for you guys. So be sure to like this video, subscribe to DeepMind AI, and enjoy the video. Let's go!
So first of all, in order to produce our own song, all we have to do, first we have to go to YouTube and we have to search the top songs for reference. So all you have to do, I got this song, all I have to do, just I have to copy the URL from here. And you can find URL when you click on share, you will get this URL. Just copy this one, and after that you will find this prompt. So just paste reference here, and after that just copy this prompt and just head over to ChatGPT and you can paste the prompt here. And in prompt I mentioned I wanted to generate completely original 1-minute song using my own lyrics with no copyright. My reference style is this one. Please create a brand new original song which include emotion, all that. So you can find this prompt in description as well, so you can copy and you can create your own song as well. And we just provide the reference and we just ask ChatGPT to create a new song for us. And let's wait and let's see what will be the outcome. And now I can see that ChatGPT has perfectly written a wonderful song for me. Once I have my song in written form, all I have to do, I ask Suno AI. Suno AI will add music, instrument, and there will be a singer who will sing this song. So all I have to do, I have to copy this song, and all I have to do, just go to Suno AI. You will find this link in description as well. And you can log in by using your Google account, or you can log in by using your Gmail account as well. And this will be the home page and this will be the interface, and after that all you have to do, just click create. And once you're done with this, you have to click custom and just paste your song here. And here you have different option. You can mention the style, all that here, and you can add instrument, all that as well. But right now I'm going to keep everything simple, and all I have to do, just click on custom. I already passed my song, and just I have to click create, and this will create a seconds and it will generate 2 songs for me. Now you can see that both songs are perfectly ready, and now we don't need any producer, singer. Everything was handled by AI. We have instrument, music, rhythm, everything is perfect. And now check both of them. Hopefully you will like one of them, and after that you can go ahead and you can use this song for your YouTube channel. So if you like this very helpful, please share, subscribe DeepMind AI